Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the horn fuse and horn relay are located on this 2013 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So these are under the hood, so we need to pop our hood. Right here is our under the hood fuse box. So there's a tab back here that we need to lift up on, and then you can pop the cover off. The back has a diagram here, and the fuse for the horn is in F20, which is right here. So this 15 amp fuse is for the horn. And then the horn relay is in R2, which is this relay right back here in the corner. So we've got our horn relay and our horn fuse right here, 15 amp micro fuse. I will have fuses linked down below where you can get those online. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.